last classes we learned the major notes, major 7 notes, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. But we have total 12 notes, 7 note, major 7 note that are known as Shuddh, and 4 note is known as Komal. The meaning of Komal is soft. The notes are softer than the main notes. 4 Komal notes: re, ga, dha, and ni. So Komal re, it's in Shuddh sa, like sa and Shuddh re. The Komal re stand on the middle. In Shuddh re and Shuddh ga, Komal ga stand on the middle. For Komal dha, pa and Shuddh dha. In the middle, Komal dha. And Shuddh dha and Shuddh ni, in the middle is Komal ni. Now, I will show how to play the Komal notes. Komal note, Komal re. You have to just take, when you're fingering like sa, then just take almost half. But you have to listen the sound, how it sounds like. Sa, and I am playing Komal re. Now I am playing re and Komal ga. Komal ga, just half you have to take off from re. Now I am playing sa Komal re and re Komal ga. Other two Komal note, Komal dha and Komal ni. So how to play Komal dha? When you hold this flute like a pa, then just little you have to take off from pa, almost half. But always remember, we have to listen very carefully, because you have to listen the sound, how it sound. Now dha, then Komal ni. So 4 Komal note, if I play like sa re ga ma with the other Shuddha notes, how it sounds. So 4 Komal note and 1 Tivra Madhyam. The meaning of Tivra Madhyam is half tone higher than the main note. So it's just opposite of Komal. Tivra Madhyam, because we know we play the Ma already in half. So Tivra Madhyam, you have to take off your finger, just full of your finger take off. So it sounds like when I play Saregama in regular Saregama, but Tivra Madhyam, so Gama with Shuddha Ma, then Gama with Tivra Ma. And Tivra Ma. And your Tivra Ma, in my flute, I can play Tivra Ma with both sides in lower and low octave and high octave. In my flute, you can see there's a little small hole in here. So I can play the Tivra Ma in lower octave with this note. So first of all, I am going lower like Sa Ni Dha Pa, then I add this Tivra Ma. The note is Ma Pa. You know, it's very difficult to make mid between the note Ma and Pa. So if you have a Tivra Ma in the lower octave, you can play very easily Tivra Madhyam to Pa, a very nice mid. Especially the rags with the Tivra Madhyam like Rag Yaman, you can find one note like Pa Re Ga. How to play Pa Re Ga? If I use this Tivra Madhyam with this little hole, see, then how easy I can play this note. So Tivra Madhyam, if you have flute like this, you can play with from here, and also if you just take off all of your finger, then you have the sound Tivra Madhyam, right? So now, you know, I show you all the notes, 7 major notes and 4 minor or half notes and 1 Tivra. So Shuddha 7 note, Komal 4 notes and 1 Tivra Madhyam. That's the 12th note that we have in one octave. With this 12th note in Indian classical music, Pandit Vishnu Narayan Bhatkhande, he just create 10 basic scale with 7 notes, and this scale are known as third. Third, the meaning of third is the combination of 7 notes like Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni. So this 10 third is very important, and from this 10 third we have lots of ragas. So now you have 7 basic note, 4 Komal note and 1 Tivra Madhyam. So I think we know the notes we have in our music, basic 12 note. Now we know the major 7 notes, Komal 4 note like Rega Dhani and 1 Tivra Madhyam. But in early stage, you know, it's very difficult to control the Komal or the half notes or Tivra Madhyam. So in the beginning, you just focus on the major 7 notes, sa re ga ma pa dha ni, lower octave, middle octave and high octave. And day by day, when you just increase your blowing, your fingering and the basic or major 7 note, then slowly you try the half or the Komal notes and the Tivra note, and try to play the Saregama. The Saregama you play with the major notes or Shuddha note, then just try the same Saregama and with the Komal notes. Just I show one exercise that I am playing the Saregama first with the major notes, Saregama. This Saregama based on Rag Bilaval, all Shuddha notes. Then the same Saregama I am trying to play one Raga or one chart. Now I show you that the Saregama with the major notes Saregama Padhani, it's based on Rag Bilaval. Now in Rag Kafi you find Komal Ga and Komal Ni. Now just try the same Saregama with Komal Ga and Komal Ni. Then in another scale you find Komal Re and Komal Dha in third Vairab. So Vairab we use Komal Re and Komal Dha. Then the same Sargam I am playing with Komal Re and Komal Dha. Now same Saregama, I am just playing the scale, it's Kalyan, the third is Kalyan third. You find Tivra Madhyam. How to play Tivra Madhyam? Just you have to take all the finger from the flute. That's the way if you practice the major notes and the Komal and Tivra notes. If you can play the 12 notes in the music. I hope you can play any kind of music and all the tune, because all the tune we play just use of this 12 note. So first of all, try to play the saregama very easily and very slowly, very with the rhythm. And I hope that if you just follow my instruction the way I show you, hope you can play the flute very well.